Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CAW a Hunter Dream token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, CAW is a decentralized social clearing house which originated from the SIP deployer. The concept of decentralization has been lost to some of us over time, those who forgot why Bitcoin was created. The issues blockchain and cryptocurrency is meant to solve. To be decentralized means there is no single person, entity, nor group which has ultimate control nor benefits over a system. Freedom given to the people to discover cows, meaning amongst slaves. Cow is by design without design, and it is up the cow community to shape cow. Cow project institution rating is 3.5. Cow token total supply is 666.66 trillion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Cow token is listed on MEXC, BingX, XT.com, LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.